we're just going to learn a quick game called Emojis in English. Emoji is, young people use it on social media nowadays to communicate their feelings. It's like little facial things. Who has seen these things before? Yeah, of course the young people will know it, because this is what they use. Who owns a smartphone, a touch screen phone? No? Great, because that's what we're going to learn right now.
No.
Kan. Kelotohan. Iyo.
Mālo lele ko kingoa ko salome siua taitua o ko whahok whatungia ki he whalele ai polkalama ai kautu o rekereka ia ko he tau ene e tahanima o furumanima e whahoko ai ngaui ko i Mālo.
Talavou everyone, my name is Aupito. I am of Samoan descent. I've been working on this Mātua Talavou Project for like a year now, and I think we know our older people really well, and they know us really well to kind of get an idea of what they want and what makes them happy. So feeling very mawhana about it and excited. You just put up each emoji, what you think answers the question that I'm going to ask. Yeah? How do you feel about Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern? Oh, vegetables. How do you feel about vegetables in your sapasui? Okay. Which one? You pray for more vegetables in your sapasui. How did the first COVID lockdown make you feel? Of course, we all said it. That's why we're here, to be happy. Yeah. Oh, but this group here, this side here, how do you feel on your birthday? How do you feel on your birthday? You feel cool. Oh, she feels cool. She feels happy. Sideways. I know, she feels sick. Nice. Blessed. You feel blessed on your birthday. That's right. How do you feel when you're at home by yourself? He feels cool? Oh, sad. Nice. How do your children or grandchildren make you feel? Yes? Okay. Fear? Yes? Okay. Last question, and this is to everyone. Yeah? How do you feel when you come to TOA Pacific? Put up the emoji how you feel when you come to TOA Pacific. Hold it up for 5 seconds. Hold it up. 1, 2,
Pick one or two to explain what does it mean to
3, 4, 5. Nice. Feel happy. Good. Yay. Lovely.
I am so glad this come up. When I use my mobile phone and I see these, I don't know what they mean. You see? This one, yes, I use it. But some of these ones, I don't know what they mean. But when I see my children answering and do this, then I follow them.
Yes, good. So that is how the young generation and the young people nowadays use those emojis to express their feelings on social media or text messaging. And I thought it's good for us to learn those things as well, especially your grandchildren and your children that are messaging you and growing growing up using the messaging all the time, and the digital world is growing so fast and it's moving forward, and sometimes we need to catch up with it.
Every Wednesday, we come here and we enjoy it because all these people here, they over 60, 70, 80 and 90, yeah. And we are all here in the same age and we can talk the same thing and we can understand each other. That's how we come and do a bit of exercise, then we have lunch and then we go on going with our singing and talking about the old time.
Ko foi lea ko te hake ko Mālo pe o whae ke mo wiki. O wau sia mai ahani a whakawhiwhia ko wau ke polokalama mo sio ka mo tolo.
We really enjoy the company with Tonga and Samoa together. If we not really understand, sometimes the Tonga talk and we talk, but we still, I'm sure we understand Samoa because we always explain afterward.
Big smiles. Side.
We hope it's no more lockdown because if they have to lock down again, oh, we're so sad because we're just sitting home, no one to talk to, no, you know.
Especially some of the people we live by ourselves. Well, like me, I'm living my own. And I really look forward on Wednesday to come. It's really enjoyable to come here and mix and enjoy everything we do.
Mari.
Ko mea lahi nai whakawhiwhita ko mo ngahi ko i Maulani. Ko i ami atu. Whakaam ke hoko mai peka o pango whoke tu o tāpe ia. Kau ia mea whiawhia o kake pehe o mau api o mau tō kake lawa o ngai ha mea ta koni pehe. Ko ulangi taimi e ku mau ha mea ta koni i ami maa si whakalata atu. Wha maa whana.
Side.
They are very polite, and that's the main thing to me. They look after us, but it's a lot of things we are happy about it. All the things they do, they really, really look after us, and I really enjoy that. They treat us like their own parents, and that's the thing I feel I'm quite happy about it.